Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating and using a SOCKS 5 server with the Netmod VPN app on your Android device. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our tech tutorials. Let's dive right in. First, let's download the latest version of the Netmod VPN app. Open the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Netmod VPN and press Enter. From the results, select the official Netmod VPN app and tap Install. This might take a minute depending on your internet speed, so just hold tight. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. You'll see the app's home screen. To start, click on the small plus icon in the upper corner to expand the menu list. This app supports multiple protocols like V2Ray, ShadowSOCKS, and WireGuard, but today we're focusing on SOCKS 5. Now, tap the SOCKS option from the menu. You'll see empty fields for entering your SOCKS 5 server details. To fill these in, let's create our SOCKS 5 server. Open your browser and search for UDP Custom. From the results, go to the official UDP Custom website. Once there, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select SOCKS 5 server. You'll be redirected to a page displaying various server options. Choose an IP address and port number from the available servers. Now, switch back to the Netmod VPN app and enter these details into the fields provided. Don't forget to give your configuration a name for easy identification. After entering the details, tap the check mark to save your configuration. Then, select the configuration and tap the Play button to connect to the SOCKS 5 server. There you have it. You've successfully set up a SOCKS 5 server with the Netmod VPN app for a fast and secure internet connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.